Want to prevent errors? It's simple but not easy. I'll get to that shortly. I own a Japanese tea bowl. I like to use it for drinking my coffee. It's not much suited to drinking from when full, but I still love drinking my coffee from it. The first couple of times drinking from this bowl, I spilled some coffee. I know why, and I know that slowing down when drinking solves this problem. Still, it happened 2-3 times before this knowledge became ingrained enough to be used without conscious thought. Most don't learn the first time they make a mistake. Even if you acknowledge the error and know how to avoid repeating the mistake, it still takes at least one more time of making the same mistake to prevent it in the future. It gets worse and much more costly when you don't realize you have made a mistake because you only see the outcome much later. That is a more likely case while implementing your idea. How to prevent this? Use the knowledge you have. To prevent even the first occurrence of an error, use what you know and control best, your idea. If you can hold your idea and use it as a kind of crystal ball, showing you the future, it will help you make the right decisions, saving you time and money. You can do it. You can have such a tool. All you need to do is discover the essence of your idea. A simple representation of what it is. So simple that you can immediately see how it relates to every decision you make and make the right one.